This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change a tail light bulb in your vehicle. This simple repair can be done in about 15 minutes with just a few basic tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a new bulb, and perhaps a Phillips head screwdriver. Having a working tail light is crucial for safety on the road, so let's get started and illuminate your way. First, open your trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly from the inside. You will see a carpeted liner covering the area. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove any plastic clips or fasteners holding this liner. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull back the trunk liner to reveal the back of the tail light housing and the bulb sockets. Now that you have access, locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light. Gently twist the socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the entire socket out. Then, simply pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it is secure. With the new bulb in place, carefully insert the socket back into the tail light housing. Twist it about 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working. Once confirmed, reposition the trunk liner and reinsert all the plastic fasteners to secure it. You've successfully changed your tail light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.